love yourself, Allah love you more than the way you love yourself. You concerned about yourself, Allah is more concerned about you than yourself. How? You see, Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala, when He created trees, maybe you heard about this tradition, trees that you see out there, plant tree, this. He created tree in the form of qiyam. That is how tree praises Allah. I want us to understand our value before we move forward. Trees are in the form of qiyam. They are standing, doing what? Worshipping Allah. They have no choice but to only worship Allah through standing. When Allah created animals, which animal are livestock? Excuse my word, like sheep, like goats, like cows, they are in a form of ruku. They are praising Allah. That is why we are told, any animal, no exception, don't harm it. Because Allah created it for purpose. And they worship Allah. Even those animals that they are najis to us. But when Allah created mountains and stones, He created them in the form of julus. Mountains sitting, pebbles sitting. What are they doing? They are praising Allah, and that is the only form and pattern available for them. When Allah created insects, mosquitoes and the likes, they are in the form of sujood. But look at how Allah loves insan. When He created I and you, He provided us with choice. You want to make qiyam, you make qiyam. You want to make ruku, you make ruku. You want to make sujood, you make sujood. Allah conclude the argument, وَلَكَدْ كَرَّمْنَا بَنِي Adam. They have no choice. You have a choice. Let your choice drives you towards Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala. Whoever holds unto Allah, I repeat, you will never and ever regret, neither in dunya and akhirah. Said the heaven mourned for Abu Abdullah for 40 mornings, and it turned into blood. It's narration from Ahlul Bayt alayhi wassalam. In other words, Abu Abdullah affected the earth, the heaven. And we are told the earth also mourned for Abu Abdullah, and it caused eclipse. And the moon the same. As narration mentioned, the moment Abu Abdullah was killed, if you were to go and dig each and every stone, you will see under that stone there is a clot of blood. It's narration from Imam Jafar alayhi salatu wasalam, that they were all affected by the killing of Abu Abdullah, and they were all attracted by Abu Abdullah al-Hussayn alayhi salam. That is why narration mentioned, the moment Abu Abdullah got killed, Baka jami'u ma khalaq Allah. Whatever Allah created cried, shed tears in their own ways of shedding tears. Now come with me to the animal kingdom. Animals, they cried and protected Abu Abdullah. In other words, animals were also inclined to the message of Abu Abdullah.